Good morning, class 8. We are in chapter metals and non-metal, and today I am going to teach you about preventations of corrosion. Rusting of iron and corrosion of other metals can be prevented by not allowing air to come in contact with the metals. Some methods are in this case. Let us talk about all these methods using to prevent by corrosion. First, painting or applying oil. Painting the surface of the metal after cleaning it thoroughly is the most common method of preventing corrosion. The paint keeps air away from the metal surface. Applying grease or oil on the surface has similar effect. However, if there is a break in the layer of paint, grease or oil, the metal start corroding at the point. It means that if you put oil or grease on metal, it reduces the process of corrosion. And also if you painted the surface of metal, then the surface of metal covered by paint, and hence it keep air away from the metal surface. Let us talk about another methods. Covering with another metal. Depositing a layer of another metal which is more resistant to corrosion is another commonly used method for the prevention of corrosion of metals. The metals mostly used are tin and zinc. Covering a metal with another metal can be done by the following ways. We also put a layer of other metal into the metal. For example, galvanization, electroplasting. Let us talk about galvanizing. Clean iron sheets are dipped into molten zinc to deposit a layer of zinc on it. So when we deposit the layer of zinc on the iron, the process is known as galvanization. The GI, galvanized iron, water pipe available in the market are made up of galvanized iron. Galvanized iron does not rust even if there is a scratch on the zinc layer. So such type of pipe and such type of instrument come with deposited a layer of zinc on it. Electroplasting. The process of electroplasting is also used to deposit a metallic layer of prevention corrosion. Tin is electroplasted. Tin is electroplasted on iron to make food containers. Commonly used tin can. So basically, tinning is known as electroplasting, and deposit zinc on iron surface is known as galvanization. Tin is electroplasted on iron to make food container, commonly called tin cans. You can see tin cans. However, if the tin layer gets scratched, the iron start rusting that place, and the tin can be then no longer suitable for the storing food. Chromium is the electroplasted on steel furniture and bicycle handle to prevent rusting. So chromium, zinc, tin, these are the metals which put on iron to prevent rusting. In the addition, the chromium layer also gives steel an attractive shine. Let us talk about another method, which is anodizing of aluminium. A layer of aluminium oxide is formed on aluminium upon exposed to air. This prevents further corrosion of aluminium. If this layer is made more uniform, it protects the aluminium underneath more effectively. This is done by the process of anodizing. It consists of passing an electric current through sulfuric acid using aluminium as anode. So basically, we use electricity to put sulfuric acid using aluminium as anode. I repeat, a layer of aluminium oxide is formed on aluminium upon exposed to air. To prevent further corrosion of aluminium, we have to remove that oxide, and we done it with the help of anodizing. Anodizing, the process in which we pass electric current through sulfuric acid using aluminium as anode. An oxygen is involved at anode, which react with aluminium to form uniform protective layer of aluminium oxide. Last topic is alloying. Some metals become corrosion resistant where alloyed with some other metals. There are some metals who become corrosion resistant. For example, stainless steel, which is an alloy of iron, chromium, nickel, which does not rust easily. So these are the prevention of corrosion. What I want to say, please make a topic, solid topic about rusting of iron or the corrosion of other metals. Then after, write down all these methods: painting or applying oils, covering with another metals like galvanizing, electroplasting. These are the processes. Anodizing of aluminium, alloying. These are the methods. Please write down each and every method in your notebook and remember it. Okay. In next chapter we talk more about alloys. Okay. Thank you.